Before we embark on our journey through Switzerland's breathtaking landscapes, let's take a moment to immerse ourselves in the local life that thrives around these majestic mountains. Nestled amidst the towering peaks, you'll find charming huts, each telling a story of generations gone by. The warmth of the wooden cabins contrasts beautifully with the rugged mountains, offering a glimpse into a simpler way of life. As you wander through the meadows, the gentle sound of cowbells echoes in the crisp mountain air. Buffaloes and cows graze peacefully, their presence a testament to the harmony between man and nature in these parts. Villagers can be seen tending to their daily chores, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the land. From milking cows at sunrise to gathering fresh herbs from the alpine meadows, every action is a dance with nature, rooted in tradition and respect. This is the heartbeat of the Alps, a place where time seems to stand still, allowing us to truly connect with the essence of Switzerland. Welcome to Switzerland, where nature unveils her masterpiece. Here, the mighty Alps stand tall, their snow-covered peaks piercing the skies, while below, vast emerald valleys and tranquil lakes mirror the heavens above. Welcome to Switzerland, where nature unveils her masterpiece. Here, the mighty Alps stand tall, their snow-covered peaks piercing the skies, while below, vast emerald valleys and tranquil lakes mirror the heavens above. It's a paradise for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Here, the Swiss Alps offer an unparalleled experience, where every step you take brings you closer to nature's wonders. As you wander along these winding trails, you'll find yourself surrounded by vibrant wildflowers and the serene beauty of untouched landscapes. Every turn reveals a new panorama, each more breathtaking than the last. The majestic peaks and expansive vistas stretch out before you, inviting you to explore further. Imagine breathing in the crisp mountain air, with the sound of distant waterfalls echoing through the valleys. The tranquility and peace you feel here are unmatched, making it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. For those seeking an elevated perspective, Switzerland's famous gondolas carry you high above the world, offering a serene journey through the clouds. As you rise, the sprawling vistas seem to stretch endlessly, with villages nestled in the valleys like tiny, peaceful retreats. And then, as day turns to dusk, a serene transformation takes place. The magic truly begins. The setting sun bathes the mountains in a warm, golden light, transforming the rugged peaks into glowing silhouettes that seem almost otherworldly. As the stars begin to emerge one by one, the silence of the Alps envelops you, a gentle reminder of how small we are in this vast, timeless wilderness. The night sky, dotted with countless stars, creates a breathtaking tapestry that stretches endlessly above. It's a moment of pure magic where nature's beauty and tranquility come together in perfect harmony. Switzerland's mountains aren't just a sight to behold, they're a feeling, a profound connection to nature that transcends the visual. They offer an invitation to pause, breathe deeply, and simply exist in the moment, away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Whether you're atop the towering Matterhorn, feeling the crisp, cool air and the sense of accomplishment, or beside the still waters of Lake Lucerne, where the mountains reflect like a mirror, creating a serene and almost magical atmosphere. These views are more than just scenery. They are a reminder of the awe-inspiring beauty of our planet, a testament to the wonders of nature that inspire and rejuvenate the soul. So, when the mountains call, will you answer? Discover Switzerland, where every view is a postcard and every moment a memory.